With a great variety of health and social care courses, and with strong employer partnerships, you'll be sure to get your career off to a flying start with Coleg Gwent. Working closely with the NHS and our local health boards, as well as private practices and hospices, Coleg Gwent delivers a curriculum led by employers to ensure our learners leave us work ready. In a sector where there are significant skills shortages and high demand, a fruitful future awaits you. You can study via both academic or vocational pathways, whichever suits your learning style best. Courses will cover the principles and contexts of health and social care, with topics around good health and well-being, safeguarding, understanding the human body, cause and effect, communication, and food hygiene. Our vocational courses are ideal if you're looking to undertake a regular work placement alongside your studies. Courses range from level 1 to 3, with the option to progress to higher education on a full or part-time basis. Once you've completed your course, you'll have the skills, knowledge, and experience to confidently enter employment. To find out more about health and social care courses, visit our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.